Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is Peppa's fun set playing music. We have a xylophone, we have a xylophone has different colours and it's blue and red and yellow or green, I'm not sure. And then we also have a piano, which is this brown with a music letter on it. And then we also have this cool drum set. Then we have Peppa with the drumsticks. And then we have Pedro pony, but she has this little music note on her. And it has a red shirt like always. She's got this music thing on her chest thing. Then Pedro pony has all sorts of things on his. He has a guitar on his one. Black shoes just like Peppa. Brown skin. Peppa has pink skin like George did. Remember that video? I'll show you in a minute then. Again, if you can't remember, I'll tell you. And then we have, this is blue, this is brown, and this is all different colours. And that's about it. Now we can open it and see what's in it. These are everyone who came in the set, including all the other stuff you have seen. I'm going to show you Peppa. Peppa has a yellow sing-along thing. You can see it on it, and a red t-shirt, a dress. And she has drumsticks. You can drum the drums like this. Boom, 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 boom. Like that. And then if she wants to go other hand. And I don't know how much it was, but anyway, look like that. And then it's really cool because she has drumsticks. She has black shoes like all the other ones do. This is how she sits down and plays the drums. And then she just bangs the drums. She's pretty cool, isn't she? Next one, it's a surprise. But this is Pedro pony. He is playing the xylophone. He's a boy, by the way, if anyone hasn't guessed. Pedro pony is playing the xylophone. And he's very good quality, just like all the rest of them I showed you. You might ask your parents to buy this set. If they say no, you'll get it for Christmas or something. Now I'll show you Pedro pony. This is Pedro pony. He has a green shirt on with a guitar on it. He also has some glasses on, painted on and stuff. Brown skin, painted on nose. And black shoes, if you can see them. Black shoes, see? Black shoes. And that's about it about him. Pedro pony is playing the piano. And he loves it so much. And he's jumping up and down. Look at him. And he also is playing it because he loves pianos and he loves playing them. Look at him having so much fun. Look at him, look at him. He's having the best time of his life. This is the piano. It has heaps of letter stuff. Can you see them? And then it's got a note up the top. And these can close like this. Close down or up, however you want. And down here, there's no thing in there. But it's really cool. Do you see the foot pedals there? You just sit there. And it's really cool. It doesn't really work or anything, but it's really cool and stuff. And look, that's pretty much it of the set. You get 2 characters and that's about it. And this is a great music. It's great quality. And it's great for little kids or big kids if you wanted to. If they have autism, they have brain injuries, they're great to play with. So if you want them, you have to get them Toys R Us. You probably won't get it anywhere else, or online if you wanted to. But that's all you get in this set. And if you got pocket money or something, you can buy it. Otherwise, you might get it from Santa or maybe for your birthday or something. It's great quality, but so if you get it, you will love it. Bye! Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye!